Wrong statement. Asked for wrong statement. De Broglie wavelength given lambda equal to h by mv, all of you know. Uncertainty principle, delta E delta T greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. Uncertainty principle you have learned, right? The product of uncertainty in momentum and position is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. There is another version for uncertainty principle, energy versus time. So don't think that it's a wrong statement. This is true statement. This is true, and second one is also true. Half-filled and fully filled orbitals have greater stability due to greater exchange energy. NCERT question. NCERT statement. The energy of 2s orbital is less than 2p in case of hydrogen. You have learnt for hydrogen like atoms, energy is decided by n value only. Energy of atomic orbital decided by n value only. So what is the order of energy for atomic orbitals for hydrogen? 1s, 2s equal to 2p, 3s equal to 3p equal to 3d, goes like that. So quite naturally this statement is wrong. This is a wrong statement, and that is the correct answer. So for multi-electron atoms, the energy of orbital decided by n plus L value. For hydrogen atom, it is decided by n value alone. You have been taught in the class, and hence the answer. And this is regarding uncertainty principle written in the form of energy, uncertainty in energy. There must be uncertainty in delta T, during which measurement is made. If a state is measured to have energy E with uncertainty delta E, there must be an uncertainty delta T in the time during which measurement is made. If you might have learned that. If you haven't seen, take it as an additional point of information. Uncertainty principle, usually we write like, what is the format? Delta X into delta P greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. It can be understood in another way also.